Are you on the hunt for the best digital microscope? Whether you're a hobbyist, collector, or professional, the right microscope can make all the difference. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best digital microscopes, breaking down their features, pros, and cons so you can make the best choice. Let's dive in. At number 5, we have the Elikliv EDM4 digital microscope. The Elikliv EDM4 digital microscope is a versatile and user-friendly device designed for a range of applications, from coin collecting to circuit board inspection. With its high-definition display, powerful magnification, and multiple illumination options, this microscope offers convenience and precision. But does it truly live up to its promises? Let's take a closer look at its pros and cons. Pros: crisp 4.3 display. One of the standout features of the Elikliv EDM4 is its 4.3-inch LCD screen, which provides clear and vibrant visuals. The real-time display ensures minimal strain on the eyes and neck, making it a more ergonomic alternative to traditional microscopes. High magnification power. With a magnification range of 50x to 1000x, the microscope allows users to examine intricate details with impressive clarity. This makes it ideal for hobbyists and professionals alike, whether for inspecting coins, jewelry, or electronic components. PC connectivity for a larger view. For those who need an even bigger screen, the EDM4 can be connected to a Windows PC or MacBook. This feature is particularly useful for group analysis, teaching, or detailed inspections. Adjustable LED lighting. Equipped with 8 adjustable LED lights, the microscope ensures excellent visibility even in low light conditions. This enhances image clarity and improves accuracy when examining fine details. Height adjustable stand. The included stand allows users to fine-tune the distance between the camera and the object, making it easier to achieve the perfect focus and magnification level for different tasks. Portable and rechargeable. The built-in rechargeable battery provides up to 3 hours of continuous use, making the microscope highly portable. Whether indoors or outdoors, users can conduct inspections without worrying about power sources. Ideal for coin collectors. Coin enthusiasts will appreciate the precise magnification and clarity offered by this microscope. It makes identifying mint marks, inscriptions, and overall condition much easier, ensuring accurate assessments. Photo and video recording capability. Users can capture high-quality images and videos for documentation and later review. This is particularly useful for professionals and hobbyists who need to keep a record of their findings. However, it's worth noting that the memory card required for storage is not included. Cons: limited battery life. With only 3 hours of battery life per charge, extended use may require frequent recharging. This can be a drawback for users who need it for long periods without access to a charging source. The Elikliv EDM4 digital microscope is an excellent tool for hobbyists, collectors, and professionals in need of an affordable yet effective digital microscope. Its crisp display, strong magnification, and PC connectivity make it a versatile choice for various applications. Next up, at number 4, we have the PalliPartners digital microscope. The PalliPartners digital microscope is a versatile and portable device designed to bring the microscopic world to life. With its 4.3-inch LCD screen, high-definition imaging, and adjustable magnification, it caters to a wide range of users, from hobbyists to professionals. However, like any product, it has its strengths and weaknesses. This video is a breakdown of the pros and cons of the PalliPartners digital microscope. Pros: high-definition imaging. The microscope boasts a 1080p 720p resolution and a 2.0 MP camera, ensuring clear and detailed images. Whether you're examining coins, insects, or circuit boards, the high-definition display allows you to see even the smallest details with precision. Portable and independent. With a built-in rechargeable lithium battery, the microscope can operate for 4–5 hours without needing a power source. This makes it ideal for outdoor use or situations where access to electricity is limited. Its compact design also ensures easy portability. Adjustable magnification. The magnification range of 50x to 1000x provides flexibility for various applications. Whether you're inspecting tiny trichomes on a plant or analyzing intricate details on a circuit board, the adjustable magnification ensures you can zoom in as needed. Large LCD screen. The 4.3-inch LCD screen offers a comfortable viewing experience, eliminating the need for an external monitor. This feature is particularly useful for extended observation sessions and makes it easier to share findings with others. Built-in LED lighting. The microscope comes with 8 adjustable LED lights, allowing users to control the brightness for optimal illumination. This feature is especially helpful when working with specimens that require varying levels of light for clear visibility. SD card storage. The inclusion of a 32GB SD card ensures that users can save images and videos directly to the device. This is a convenient feature for documenting observations or sharing findings with others. User-friendly focus function. The focus wheel is easy to use, enabling precise adjustments to achieve clear images. The attached metal bracket also provides stability during use, ensuring steady shots. Cons. Limited durability. The microscope's lightweight and portable design may come at the cost of durability. Users handling delicate or heavy specimens should exercise caution to avoid damaging the device. The PalliPartners digital microscope is a practical and versatile tool for anyone interested in exploring the microscopic world. Its high-definition imaging, adjustable magnification, and portability make it suitable for a variety of applications, from educational purposes to professional inspections. Taking the third spot is the Dcorn DMR02 digital microscope. The Dcorn DMR02 digital microscope is an impressive device designed for various applications, from examining coins and textiles to aiding in circuit board soldering and skin inspection. With a 7-inch HD display, an adjustable viewing angle, and powerful magnification capabilities, this digital microscope is a compelling choice for hobbyists, students, and professionals alike. Here's an in-depth look at the pros and cons of the Dcorn DMR02. Pros. High magnification range. The Dcorn DMR02 offers an impressive 10x 1200x magnification, allowing users to explore fine details of objects such as metal textures, plant veins, and electronic components. This level of zoom capability provides excellent versatility for different observation needs. Large 7-inch HD display. Unlike smaller 4.3-inch models, this microscope features a 7-inch HD screen, offering clearer and more detailed visuals. The instant display ensures easy adjustment and precise observation, making it ideal for tasks like soldering and fine detail work. Superior lighting system. With 8 built-in LED lights and 2 additional adjustable side lights, this microscope provides exceptional illumination. The extra side lights help enhance visibility, making it easier to observe objects in various lighting conditions. Photo and video recording capabilities. A standout feature of the Dcorn DMR02 is its ability to capture high-quality photos and videos. The 12MP camera ensures sharp images, and users can save recordings on a TF memory card, up to 64GB, not included, for later analysis. Adjustable height and angle. The flexible height and angle adjustment of the screen enhances user comfort and convenience. The stable metal base helps minimize shaking, ensuring clear and steady observations. PC connectivity for larger viewing. For an even larger display, users can connect the microscope to a Windows 10 or Mac computer via USB. This function is particularly useful for group observations or detailed analysis on a bigger screen. Cons. Actual magnification may vary. The actual magnification depends on factors like the distance between the lens and the object, as well as the screen size. Some users may find it challenging to achieve the advertised 1200x magnification in real-world conditions. The Dcorn DMR02 digital microscope is a powerful and versatile tool suitable for a wide range of applications. With its large HD display, adjustable lighting, and ability to capture photos and videos, it provides excellent value for hobbyists, students, and professionals. Coming in at number 2 is the Tomlov Tril110 digital microscope. The Tomlov Tril110 digital microscope is a versatile and advanced tool designed for professionals, hobbyists, and students alike. With its unique triple lens system, high-resolution display, and user-friendly features, it promises to deliver an exceptional visual experience. However, like any device, it has its strengths and weaknesses. We explore the pros and cons of the Tomlov Tril110 digital microscope. Pros. Effortless triple lens switching. The Tril110 features a rotating lens barrel that allows users to switch seamlessly between 3 lenses. This design enhances workflow efficiency, making it ideal for professionals and enthusiasts who need to adjust magnification levels quickly without interrupting their work. Exceptional visual experience. The Tril110 comes with a 10.1-inch IPS screen that delivers 24 megapixels photo resolution and 2K video quality. The vibrant colors, sharp details, and 178-degree viewing angle ensure a stunning visual experience. Real-time HDMI and USB output. The microscope supports real-time HDMI and USB output, allowing users to connect to larger screens for enhanced viewing. This feature is particularly useful for presentations, collaborative work, or detailed examinations. Advanced lighting system. Equipped with 12 built-in LED lights, 2 gooseneck side lights, and a bottom slide light, the Tril110 ensures excellent illumination in various environments. The lights are dimmable and can be charged independently, providing flexibility for different observation needs. Convenient recording and sharing. The microscope features one-button capture and video recording, along with a 64GB SD card for ample storage. This makes it easy to document and share discoveries, making it a great tool for students, teachers, and hobbyists. Stable and spacious workspace. The taller 12.6-inch stand and larger 7x8-inch base provide a stable and spacious workspace, accommodating larger objects like coins and soldering projects with ease. Wireless remote control. The included wireless remote allows users to adjust magnification, capture photos, and record videos without touching the microscope. This minimizes screen shaking and sample disturbance, ensuring precise and stable observations. Cons. Bulky design. The larger base and taller stand, while providing stability, make the microscope less portable. It may not be the best option for users who need a compact and lightweight device for on-the-go use. The Tomlov Tril110 digital microscope is a powerful and versatile tool that caters to a wide range of users, from professionals to hobbyists. Its triple lens system, high-resolution display, and advanced lighting make it ideal for detailed observations and precision work. And finally, our top pick, the Andonstar AD246S-M digital microscope. The Andonstar AD246S-M digital microscope is a versatile tool designed for a wide range of applications, from soldering and repairing electronics to observing biological slides and coins. With its advanced features and multi-lens system, it caters to both adults and kids, making it a popular choice for hobbyists, professionals, and educators alike. However, like any product, it has its strengths and weaknesses. Here's a detailed look at the pros and cons of the Andonstar AD246S-M digital microscope. Pros. Versatile multi-lens system. The microscope comes with 3 interchangeable lenses, each designed for specific tasks. Lens L is ideal for soldering and repairing circuit boards or mobile phones. Lens A is perfect for observing larger objects like coins or plants, and Lens D is tailored for biological slides. This versatility makes it a one-stop solution for various applications. Ultra-high definition 2160p video recording. The microscope offers UHD 2160p video recording, ensuring crystal clear visuals. Additionally, it supports HDMI output, allowing users to connect it to a larger screen for a more detailed and comfortable viewing experience. Adjustable Pro Boom Arm Stand. The included boom arm stand is highly adjustable, with the ability to move front and rear, left and right, and adjust the angle. Made from strong metal material, it is durable and suitable for high-temperature environments like soldering. This feature enhances stability and flexibility during use. User-friendly design. The microscope is easy to use, with a simple lens exchange system that involves removing and installing screws. The focusing wheel and bracket knob make it easy to adjust focus and object distance, ensuring a hassle-free experience for users of all skill levels. High magnification and digital zoom. With magnification ranging from 4.5 to 2000x, the microscope is suitable for a wide range of tasks. The 3x digital zoom further enhances its capabilities, making it ideal for detailed observations. Professional measurement software. The included software allows users to connect the microscope to a Windows PC for advanced functions like measuring object length, calculating area, and capturing photos or videos. This feature is particularly useful for professionals and educators. Wireless remote control and adjustable LED lights. The wireless remote control enables convenient operation from a distance, while the 8 intensity levels of LED lights ensure optimal brightness for different observation needs. These features make it suitable for educational demonstrations and other scenarios. Cons. Bulkiness of the boom arm stand. Although the boom arm stand is sturdy and adjustable, its size may make it less portable and require a dedicated workspace. This could be a drawback for users with limited space. The Andonstar AD246S-M digital microscope is a powerful and versatile tool that excels in various applications, from soldering to biological observation. Its high-definition imaging, adjustable stand, and multi-lens system make it a standout choice for professionals and educators.